Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's dive into today's market action. U.S. stock futures show a positive trend this morning, buoyed by renewed interest in artificial intelligence, while investors continue to assess the Fed Chair Powell's remarks on equity valuations and labor market risks. Yesterday, major indexes retreated slightly following cautious Fed remarks and doubts about the longevity of the AI-driven market surge. Tech heavyweights like Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, Oracle, Microsoft, and Meta all saw declines, while Micron Technology gained in after-hours trading following strong earnings. Gold climbed to new record highs, but Bitcoin and Ether struggled. Today, the tech giants Micron and Alibaba are leading a global market surge. Micron, a key memory storage provider for AI developers, posted stronger-than-expected revenue due to increased demand in the sector. Alibaba, after unveiling a new AI model, pledged over $53 billion in AI investments, causing shares to soar. This optimism is spilling over into Hong Kong tech stocks like SMIC. Meanwhile, the U.S. stock market, particularly tech stocks, had a broad sell-off on Tuesday, but NASDAQ 100 futures bounced back, strengthening against other index futures. The dollar gained against the Japanese yen and British pound, while oil prices rose following President Trump's call for European allies to halt energy purchases from Russia. However, concerns about the economic impact of Trump's policy changes on interest rates persist. Confidence among German companies has dipped due to a struggling economy and deteriorating manufacturing and service sectors. The US dollar is losing appeal as a hedge due to increased foreign investment hedging, putting downward pressure on its value. Economists and policymakers worldwide are divided on whether inflation or job losses pose a greater threat to the economy. Inflation pressures are building in Australia, while New Zealand has appointed its first female central bank governor. China announced it will stop seeking special treatment in future WTO talks, positioning itself as a responsible developing nation. The Mexican central bank now has more room to cut rates following the Federal Reserve's rate cut, and U.S. business activity growth has slowed for both manufacturing and services sectors, with firms showing signs of deceleration in their selling prices. In summary, AI innovation is driving market momentum amidst broader economic uncertainties. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more updates throughout the day.